Hi everyone, welcome back to my reviews channel. So today I'm going to review a G-Shock, which is the G-6900, the solar powered version of the classic DW6900 series of G-Shocks. So this watch is actually my daily driver or a beater watch. So basically I use this watch for activities that are more rigorous in nature, such as hiking, trekking, swimming, scuba diving, as well as climbing. I actually do sport climbing, indoor climbing, so you can see there's many nicks and marks on the bands of the watch. So all these are from all the trekking, hiking, climbing activities that I've been doing, and I had this watch for a couple of years now, and so far it has served me really well. So this is basically my grab and go watch for activities that are more vigorous in nature, whereby there's a high probability of me banging my watch against the wall or against the rocks, and even submerged in seawater. Yep. So this watch is solar powered, as I've mentioned, and I haven't had the need to replace a battery so far. It is still on high. Battery power is still on high, as you can see over here at the top left hand dial of the watch. So let me just run through some of the basic functions of this watch very quickly. So you have the timekeeping mode, which is its main mode. The three graphic areas on top shows the battery power of the watch, as well as in the status of the alarms and hourly signals, and on the top right hand side it shows the second counters. So this watch actually displays the time, the day of the week, as well as the date. So let's look at the first mode, which is the world time mode. So you can actually toggle forward and backward. So there's quite a number of world time cities that you can have access to in this watch. So this is the second mode. Then we have the alarm function. The good thing about this watch is that it has 5 alarms, including 1 snooze, as you can see here, and the hourly signal. So there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 alarms. The 5th one is the snooze alarm, as well as the hourly signal. And next we have the stopwatch function. The stopwatch function is a very basic one. Just start, stop over here. You can also have a split timing, and you can check the split timing as follows and reset. Lastly, we have the timer function, countdown timer function. So this is how you adjust it. Hold on to the adjust button, and sadly for this watch, you can only configure up to the minutes. You are not able to configure up to seconds for the countdown function. So hours and minutes, there's no seconds involved. So the maximum countdown range is 24 hours, which is by setting all to be 0. So when you start, it starts counting down from 24 hours. Okay, so a very basic watch with just the world time, alarms, stopwatch, and timer function. Nothing very fancy in particular, just providing the basic functions of a digital watch. And it actually is just a very simple watch with simple functions, no bells and whistles. I actually included a compass over here, small compass on the watch band, to increase its utility, because mainly I use this watch as an outdoor companion. So let's try this on my 6¼ inch and see how it looks like. Yep, so this is how it looks like. It actually fits pretty well on my 6 1/4 range. So this is a wrist roll. It's a little bit big, but usually most of the G-Shocks are quite substantial in size, and it looks really good. The classic design, the classic DW6900 design with a modern take, solar powered. Yeah, so this is how it compares. I'm wearing a GA2100 today, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, so that's pretty much for today's review of the G6900, the G6900. Once again, it's a very simple watch, and it serves its function really well as a beater watch. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.